this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply to the Capital One credit card saver. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to CapitalOne.com. From here, you should bring something like this. And here you'll need to go up to the credit card section and down to credit building. From here, a new tab will pop up where you can see this page right here. From here, you'll need to click on the SavorOne rewards down here and click apply now. Once you've done that, a new tab will pop up which will be the application page. And here you'll need to fill in the information and we'll go over what you need to fill out. So the first thing you need to do is fill out your legal name, your first legal name and last name down here. As you can see, there is 1 out of 8 questions that you'll need to answer before you can actually send in the application for the Capital One card. From here, it should be looking something like this, where you'll be asked whether or not you're a US citizen. So if you click yes, you'll also be asked if you're a citizen in another country. If you click yes, you'll see this page right here. And here you'll need to set in your secondary citizenship. Once you've done that, you'll need to click continue. And from here, you'll need to add in your residential area, also known as residential address. So you'll put it in here. You'll need to put in your apartment, zip code, city, and the state down here. You can also down here add a mailing address if it's different from the residential areas. And you can do that by clicking here and then add your mailing address down here instead. Once you've done that, you'll need to click continue. And then from here, you'll need to enter your telephone number, your email address, so Capital One can get in contact you whether or not you have been accepted into the credit card program. Once you have answered all of these 8 questions, you'll be able to send in the application. And once you've done that, you'll get an email from Capital One that will tell you whether or not you have been accepted into the credit card program. And if you have been accepted, you'll just need to fill in the details and then Capital One will send you your credit card. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please come down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!